Hi everybody! Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to show you our version of the red lentil soup.
The red lentil soup is healthy, hearty, and balanced. It's packed with fiber and protein.
We've also added some sweet potato and kale to the dish. It is our go-to dish when we want to have something light, but still very satisfying.
Our lentil soup has ginger and turmeric, which give you a good immunity boost during the changing weather.
And red lentils are not only nutritious, but super easy to cook, making a great meal for any weeknight.
Let's get started and look at the ingredients.
Here are the ingredients that we're using today. 1.5 cups of red lentil, kale, 2 sweet potatoes, 1 onion, ginger, about 800 milliliters of crushed tomatoes, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, and the spices we're using are cinnamon, turmeric, curry, and cumin. And now everything is prepped. Let's start cooking.
So first, we're going to put in the onion and ginger into a heated greased pan. Cook for a bit to bring out the fragrance. Now that you can see that the onions are slightly brown and you can really smell the fragrance, we're going to put in the spices. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of curry, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we'll give it a mix. That smells really good. And then we're going to put in the sweet potato and cook first. So after a few minutes of cooking, and you can see that the sweet potatoes are covered in spices, we're going to put in the crushed tomato. And we're going to add in 800 milliliters of water too. Also cleans out the can. We're also going to add in the coconut milk now. We're going to save a little bit for later. So about this much is okay. And mix everything thoroughly. Now everything looks nice and creamy and mixed well. We're going to add in the red lentils. And mix again. So now that it's boiling, we're going to put a lid on and let it cook at medium to low heat for around 30 minutes. Now that the lentils and the sweet potatoes are nice and soft, it's pretty much done. So we're going to put in our kale. We'll mix it in and let it cook for a minute or two, and it should be done.
Here is the finished dish. We've added the remainder of the coconut milk and a little bit of cilantro just for garnish, but this is completely optional.
Tasting time!
This is so rich and creamy.
Yeah, and you can really taste the tomato and the coconut, but at the same time they really blend well together.
For sure. And if you decide to make this dish, let us know how it goes in the comments below.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
1 tablespoon of cumin.
That's not cumin.